Everybody, we're having a wonderful time here at Jack Sizemore's RV Museum, and we're going to take a look at the 1962 Bambi Airstream. I mean, I believe they still are making Bambis today, but of course they're a little bit different, not a lot. This has the rounded silver look to it, but it does not have the signature round the front windows, and the back is not flared like the 1955 was, but not quite as rounded as we see today. So the Bambis are really popular, so let's go in and take a look. How's this door height?
Oh, that's perfect.
I think people must have grew between 1955 and 1962 because they started making the doors taller.
Maybe. I don't think they grew after 1969 though.
No? Come on in, let's take a look. So I'm not really sure what the overall length of the Bambi is or how that compares to today's, but you've got your classic Airstream rounded ceiling giving you lots of headroom. This particular one's got the dinette, which I'm not sure if, yeah, it must make down. But anyways, what I really like about this is it's got this nice sort of curvy, shade-like seating. It's got this huge couch, which also would make out into a bed. So it's quite spacious. The other thing that Airstream seems really good at is storage. So you've got upper storage here, and if you come around and take a look at this, you've got a huge closet. If you move on over to the kitchen, oops, we've got drawers, storage, some countertop space, a single sink. You've got the refrigerator. And then you've got a 3-burner propane stove. So, I mean, it's very functional. I'm not sure how much I can show you in here, but this is the bathroom. So, I mean, it's a combo unit. But as I said, bathrooms are a must for us. And this is a nice small trailer that still has a bathroom. Just going to check out what's in here. Oh, more storage. There you go. So that's our tour of the Bambi, and I mean, you gotta love an Airstream, right? They're just cool on so many levels, and yeah, I'd be happy to tow this one around, a new one or this vintage one. So if you liked our tour of the Bambi, please hit the subscribe button because there's a whole bunch more that we can show you. So yeah, come along.